Previously we have seen factorization by grouping method and taking out a common factor. Okay, first we have seen taking out a common factor when a factor is common for all the terms, and grouping happens when the term is common, when the factor is common for only particular number of terms. Now in this type, this method will be expressing that we will be identifying difference of two squares. Okay, so we have to identify that is in the form of difference of two squares, and in that we are going to apply the formula. When I say difference of two square, take two numbers, that is a square minus b square. So for this we have a formula, it is a plus b into a minus b. For instance, 5x square minus 4y square, like I am telling a polynomial or algebraic expression. Okay, this algebraic expression we have to factorize, but when we see this, we have to reminded about this difference of two squares. Okay, that means this number can be written as square of, let me take this 25, 5x whole square. Shall we write this 25x square as 5x whole square? Okay, then minus this can be written as 2y whole square, isn't it? Now just apply the formula, a square minus b square. Which one is our a? 5x is a, b is 2y. Okay, now the formula says a plus b. Our a is 5x plus b is 2y. Okay, and a minus b, that is 5x minus 2y. So there we have two factors of this given sum of difference of two squares. Simply, if I am saying x square minus y square, what you would say? This is a difference of two squares. Come on, apply the formula and tell me. Okay, x plus y into x minus 1. Okay, suppose I am having x square minus 1, then how we can express this? This is not difference of two squares, but the thing is x square minus 1 square, like we can write. So when you write minus 1 square means that square is only for this 1, not this minus, don't get yourself confused, only for this 1. Okay, so in this, what is our a, what is our b? A is x, b is 1. So we have a plus b, that is x plus 1 into a minus b, x minus 1. Okay, can you guess what would be the factorization of 16x square minus 1? Remember, I told you to memorize all the squares up to 25. Sixteen is which number square? Okay, then the 16x square can be written as, in this form we have to write as a square for these two. Done. Answer? Okay, 4x minus 1 into 4x plus 1. There you go. The second one, m square minus 1. Factorize and tell me. m minus 1 into m plus 1. Perfect. Then the other one, 9m square minus 196n square. And 1 minus 81y square. 2p square minus 32q square. Come on, come on, come on. What is the answer for this one? Unmute yourself and answer. Okay. Come on, man. 9 is the square of which number? Yes. So 3m whole square minus 196 is the square of 14. Yes, 14n square. That is it. You got the answer. Make it fast. Perfect. And then this one, 1 minus 81y square. Okay. Bingo. This one. See, man, I'll tell you. 2p square. 2 is not square of any number. 1 square is 2, isn't it? No. See, I'm going to write root 2p whole square. Okay. Then here, 32 is not a square of any number. Then what we can write? Root 32q whole square. Why is it so? Because root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay. Now the factorization. Root 2p minus root 32q into root 2p plus root 32q. What is root 32 actually? Eight fours are, isn't it? Or else 16 twos are we can write. This 16 we can take out. So that is 4 root 2. So our answer is root 2p minus 4 root 2q and root 2p plus 4 root 2q. Okay. Clear? Any doubts on this? Now when you see this, you may see this root 2 is common factor. Remember that root 2 we can take out. Then what we will do? Here only p minus 4q and here p plus 4q. Root 2 into root 2 will get 2. From this bracket I will take one root 2, from this bracket I will take another 2. See, also there are simpler way to work out this. I just tell you, when you couldn't find what is the square, this is not a perfect square, means you can write this root 2 like, that's what I am trying to say. The another way how we can do this is, when you observe this closely, 2 is a common factor for both of this, isn't it? So the 2 can be taken out. Then what you will write, what you will get, it is p square minus 16q square. Is it? Then this is again difference of 2 squares. You can write 4q square, right? 4q whole square. So that is p plus 4q into p minus 4. That is it, 2 steps. But all it takes is you have to realize in this step itself. Otherwise, if you are blindly following the formula, this like you can do. Which one would be easier for you? You have to think. That is it. Yes, you have to think. So from the first method itself, you have to apply and try whether it is any common factor for all the factors there or not. No, it is not. So grouping can be possible or not. Any group has separate factor. No, it is not. Is this a difference of square? Yeah, okay. Likewise, you have to think and do. That is it. Then we'll move on to the next section. It's about factorizing trinomials.